If your design in Corel Draw involves text, all right, and after adding the text, you discover that they are too close to each other, but you want to space it. This video puts you through on how to do that. Increase the spacing. Let's just get right into it. All right, so for you to increase line spacing in Corel Draw is easy if you know what to do. Now, I know probably you are on the text tab, right? You're working on the text. Now, for you to increase the line spacing, what you need to do is to click on the pick tool. All right, click there. You can see this pick tool is now selected. And once it's selected, you can see these nodes, these squares by the size. All right, take your cursor to one of them. All right, you can see there. You can see the sign has changed to two-headed arrow. All right, then press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then you drag down. As you're dragging down, the line spacing is increasing. So this is not how this was before. And once you're good with that, release the pressure on the left button of your mouse and you are good.